I've been using VirtualDJ for years now, and I still keep discovering features that I didn't know existed. For example, if you've ever recorded a mix in VirtualDJ, here's something you probably didn't know. If you load that same recording back onto any deck, VirtualDJ automatically marks every transition using cue points, and it even labels which song was playing at that moment. Today, I'm going to show you 8 VirtualDJ features that most DJs either don't know about or simply aren't using to their full potential. Most DJs know what cue points are. They let you jump to specific parts of a song. But here's something many DJs don't realize. Cue points can also remember loops. For example, let's say this instrumental section is perfect for mixing. I'll activate a loop around it, then save it to an empty cue pad, just like I would a normal hot cue. Now, whenever I trigger that cue point, VirtualDJ doesn't just jump back to that position, it automatically activates the loop as well. If you're like me, your music library is probably organized into lots of folders and subfolders. But sometimes you just want to browse everything at once without opening each folder individually. Instead, simply right-click the main folder and select Recurse. VirtualDJ will temporarily display every song from all of its subfolders together in one list, making it much easier to browse, search, or sort your entire music collection. Have you ever loaded a song that has a long silent section or a part you always wish you could skip? Instead of trying to remember to jump past these sections during a live mix, VirtualDJ can do it automatically. Start by creating 2 hot cues, one at the beginning of the section you want to skip and another where you want playback to continue. Next, open the POI editor by right-clicking the song's waveform. Under the Points panel, you'll see both hot cues listed. Select the first cue right before the section you want to skip, then change its type to Action POI. Now in the Action field, type the command Go To, followed by the beat position you want VirtualDJ to jump to. To get that beat position, simply select the second hot cue and copy the beat value displayed in the bottom right corner of the editor. Paste that value after the Go To command. Now, as soon as playback reaches the Action POI, VirtualDJ automatically jumps over the unwanted section and continues playing from your second cue point. And that's just one example of what Action POIs can do. In fact, some of you have been asking me to make a video on creating stem-based transitions with the POI editor. If this is a feature you'd like me to cover next, let me know in the comments. Have you ever loaded a song only to find that the beat grid is out of alignment? That's exactly what fluid beat grids were designed to fix. Instead of forcing one constant BPM from beginning to end, a fluid beat grid follows the natural tempo changes in the music. To enable it, simply right-click the track and open the BPM editor. Then switch the beat grid from rigid to fluid and let VirtualDJ analyze the track. Once the analysis is complete, you'll notice a tilde symbol next to the BPM, letting you know the track is now using a fluid beat grid. And here's a bonus tip. If you ever notice an Analyze Fluid Beat Grids option when you right-click a track, that's VirtualDJ telling you it has already detected tempo changes and thinks the song could benefit from a fluid beat grid. Have you ever been in the middle of a mix and suddenly couldn't think of the next song to play? Instead of scrolling endlessly through your music library, simply right-click your current track and choose Search with Genius DJ, and the software will recommend songs based on what other DJs commonly play next. Some of the recommendations come from supported online music services, but if one of those songs is already in your own library, VirtualDJ highlights it so you can load it instantly. If you've ever explored VirtualDJ's keyboard mappings, you've probably noticed that many keys already come pre-mapped. But here's something most DJs don't realize. Each key can actually perform up to 4 different actions. Take the spacebar, for example. By default, it controls the play-pause action. But if you hold the Shift key, that same spacebar becomes sync. Hold Control, and it switches to auto mix. And if you hold Alt, it triggers Mix Now. And the best part is that the same concept applies to the other keys in the mapping. If you'd like to learn how to customize these mappings or even create your own shortcuts, here is a dedicated tutorial that covers virtual DJ scripting and custom mappings in much more detail.